Hi friends, good evening. This is Parsarthi here from Fortune Advisors. See, now today we are going to talk about Nifty and some of the stocks which I've already mentioned and the targets which I've given. We are going to see whether it achieved the targets. And the last thing we are going to discuss about is NTPC, okay, the new stock which has come into my radar. So now I'm going to share the screen, and before that, I'm telling you I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So before taking any call, please contact your financial advisor, and based on his advice, you can work on it. So now I'm going to share the screen of Nifty, how it is done today. Okay, this is Nifty, and see, this is Pitchfork analysis. See, last time when on 21st I put the video, see, I already mentioned that 19th was my top date, but I missed by 2 days, and 20th also is was my date, but still it managed to top out only on 21st. See, when it was trading around this level, I put the video saying that it is topped out at Pitchfork level, which is the highest resistance, which is this blue color line. So if I draw from here, see, I'll draw like this from here, here, and here. So if I connect these dots based on so many parameters, I am able to find out what is the top. So now I got this top. From there, it fell roughly around 1,000 points, right? So it came down all the way. Yeah. So from here, it again moved up, recovered everything, thanks to Nirmala madam. And today it again, see, if you see this blue line here, the same blue line is continuing here, and it touched today here and topped out. See, exactly, see, exact high. Okay, and this was my astro timing today, which was 125, and it is not. I put the video when it was trading at this timing at 125. So it is not able to break this high, so it started falling, and the last timing was 225. I can put it. Yeah, yeah. This is 225. It is not able to break this candle and started falling. So now on a positional front, any buy call in Nifty, it should be on foot above 14,875. Before that, you should not enter. See, intraday we can do anything. I have my own intraday strategy which my clients follow. This is for the positional stuff. Okay, so the Nifty has to move above this level to achieve 15,060 and 15,129 and furthermore targets. But now this is capped as of now, but tomorrow is expiry. We don't know what these big players are going to do. Let's see. But as of now, 15,875 will be the topmost resistance for Nifty. But break this, then my target is going somewhere here, which is roughly around 15,119, and my number is matching also, which is 15,129. Okay, that we will see later. Anyway, so as of now, Nifty, long should be only above 14,875 level. And in case, and I've already mentioned yesterday that in case if Nifty is not closing above 14,757, then 13,113 is clearly visible to me. And today it came down all the way around 310. It closed, came to that level and bounced. Okay, anyway, no problem. 25 points above. Let's see how it works tomorrow, whether it is able to close below that 14,754, or it is going to go above and close above this 14,875. So as of now, Nifty long should be only above 14,875. Once it breaks this median line, which is around 14,634, and my number game also is here exactly matching this Pitchfork median line, then let's see, we have a gala time till here, which is 14,145. Let's hope for the best. Okay, now I'm going to share my Excel sheet. We will talk about the targets of specific stocks, which I've already given it to you. Okay, so and I'm going to stop the screen. I'm going to share the other screen, which is my Excel sheet. Okay, so these are some of the stocks which we already discussed. And when I mentioned LIC Housing Finance, I mentioned the target was 431. That time it was 431. Now it is came down to 426. When LIC Housing was trading at 340, I mentioned 431 was the target, and 431 is done. Today it closed at 448. Okay. So now another counter, if you see, okay, IndusInd Bank. So IndusInd Bank, when it was at 840, I mentioned my target was 1313. So based on last 10 days of data, it has come down to 1307. So another 259 points is still pending in IndusInd Bank. So in the last 2 days, you have seen a vigorous rally in this counter, and this guy possibility of touching this 1307 is highly possible. Okay, so it has already moved 200 rupees from 840. And Nalco, which was my darling, I've already mentioned when it was trading at 34, I said 51 is the target, and today it touched that 51, and my long-term number becomes 0. It means it is converged at 51. So now this is it will go on a very high side. See, if I am talking about Sun Pharma above 487, it did 142 points higher. Today it closed at 629, like that. So it came and closed at 51, which was my long-term trend number. See, this blue color is medium term, and this green color numbers are monthly, and this is my long term. And long term now 51, the number got converged. So my target for this counter is, first target is 56, second target is 62, and to be honest with you, I'm able to see even 120 in this counter. Let's see whether it's going to achieve or not, because some buyback announcement is already come at 155 level and whatever. So now it is converged, and based on another strategy, if it holds 48.85, this guy will fly like rocket. Okay, so keep this in radar, Nalco. And coming to another targets, one second, I'll tell you. Okay, so now HPCL, another 34 rupees is pending, which is the target is 259, and ONGC 132 is my target. Still another 40 rupees to go. And coming to NTPC, the target is 128, and today it closed at 96.95, and my number converged, the short term, the medium term number converged today at 96. So now above this guy will touch this number. Above 96, this guy will touch 128. Anyway, we are going to see something in detail about NTPC later point of time. So, and Z, I've already mentioned my target is 356. Our entry was 226, but it came down, hit the stop loss, and in the last 2 days it was quoting at 244. So the target is 356 in case if it holds 223, right? So now another PEL, my target is 1933. Another 400 points is pending in PEL. Okay, and M&M Finance, 337 is my target. Today it closed quoting at 184. Another 150 points is pending. And UPL, my target is 629. Today it is quoting at 558. Okay, it gave a bull call at medium number at 462. From there it went to 558, and my target is 629. So now we are going to discuss more about NTPC, why I am telling why we need to buy this counter. Okay, I'm going to stop this screen and we will go to NTPC. Okay, this is NTPC chart on daily. First, we'll talk about weekly. Okay, so in a weekly time frame, NTPC formed cup and saucer, right? Cup and handle pattern. Sorry, not saucer. Cup and handle pattern. See, this week high and this week high is very, very crucial for NTPC. This is based on astrology. Okay, so now 21st December week and 29th June week, these two are very, very crucial. And I made here was 98.05 and low was 92.30. Okay, and here the I made was 103.95 and the low made was 94.75. Above 103, this guy will fly easily. He will fly. Okay, so now I'm going to, because the stop loss is a little more, because 10 rupees for 100 rupees counter, it is too big. So we are going to bring it down to 2-3 rupees, so that, you know, we will try to get at least 1:10 return. Okay, now based on this cup and handle pattern, the target, first target is 125 and the second target is 137. I mentioned here. Okay, based on this bottom of this cup, the target is this one, which is 137, and based on the handle, the target is 125. And if you take about, when you compare with my Excel sheet also, it is showing 122 is the 126 is the target. So it is exactly matching this numbers. So now you have the target 137, 125. Now we are going to go to daily candle and see how it works in daily. So based on daily, it is inside the cloud. Once it breaks above this cloud, which is 99.41, and once this lagging span is out of these two, this guy is ready for 127. Okay, and this day was the Astro day for trend change day for NTPC, which is 7th June 7th Jan 2021. The high made was 98.50 and the low made was 96.85. Okay, so if you buy above this 98.65, sorry, 98.50, the stop loss is 96.85 on an hourly closing basis. Okay, so today it closed at 97.15, sorry, 96.95. It means this guy is ready, and based on my number workings, it converged at 96 and it closed above 96. So I may even take a call tomorrow itself when it was trading somewhere on 96, but it has to go above 96. But if it comes down below 96, I will not touch this counter. Okay, it has to close above 96 and it closed today. Tomorrow I will take a chance with 1 rupee stop loss here for my target, which is 126, and break above this cloud. Yes, I've already told you my target is 126 and 137, right? So this day, 7th Jan 2021, high and low is very crucial for NTPC. And if you go and see in weekly, yes, weekly also, it is exactly at this resistance, which is the red color line, Kijun. Once it crossed Kijun, it will again fly, right? And this guy has clearly given this blue color line, Tinken, is giving a clear cut support, which is at 92, right? And the target is, you can take, once it breaks this, the target is 200-day SMA, which is exactly at 122. Maybe you can see this. If I click here, you can see 122 here, right? So it will go and touch this, 200-day SMA, which is 122, which is my target also. And coming to monthly, this flat color Kijun, which is again 109, and this flat formation, normally, market will respect this flat formation. So the flat formation is at exactly at 122. So all are matching. I think this guy can definitely do well. And you have another 1 second. If I go to daily, I think this guy can achieve the target on or before February 21st. Okay, so by above 98.50, stop loss is 96.85 on hourly closing basis. So good to go, NTPC. Try your luck, make some money. Thanks a lot. And I am not a SEBI registered. Again, I'm telling, I am not a SEBI registered investment advisor. Please contact your financial advisor before taking any decision on trading as well as for any investment per se. Thank you.